Hi everyone, it's great to see you. It's so nice to have some sunshine out here, and I'm in front of the house. We're going to be planting up some pansies today. So these are the Delta Classic pansies. This variety is the cotton candy mix. So it has the pinks, the purples, the blues, and this tray is just the pink shades here. This is another cotton candy. Now I have these 3 planters that are all the same. And one of the things that I've done for the past year or so are to have these globe trellises in here, which I love. I've had fairy lights on them, but for these 2 pots, the little fairy lights have broken, so we're going to take these out and find another place for them. This one I've already removed the lights from. These are great though, and I'll put the link below for these globes. I found these on Amazon. Let me move the other pot. So for the past few years, I have done this as a bag in the pot, where there's a rim gap of potting mix. And in the center, I have a smaller grow bag that I keep a conifer in. And then I have a nursery pot that fits that grow bag in there. Now these have been great in the winter, and this doesn't seem to have its tag in here now. The second year I have done nothing for these in the winter. They just get watered with the snow. This thunderhead Japanese black pine, I'm not sure if it's going to make it. It is looking pretty dry, but we do have some growth. We're going to see. Hopefully it will. And what I do is I take these out now and I'll put them somewhere in the garden. Here is Tiny Curls, which is a dwarf curly white pine. Isn't that just adorable? Oh, I love it. So 2 of the 3 are still doing really well. Now, instead of planting up the center here, I'm going to take out the nursery pots this year and fill this with regular potting mix and just plant these regular with my pansies. And my reason for doing that is, well, first of all, these aren't very big planters, but also last year when I did pansies and I did my violas, I found that when it came mid-May and I was ready to put in my summer flowers, the pansies were still looking pretty good. So this way I can move these pots anywhere I want around the yard, put something else up here. If I keep them with the pansies, that just looks so pretty. I think I'll be really happy. So let's add a little bit of dirt. You can see that we have the potting mix around the edge, and yes, it has some roots from last year, but that'll be fine. This is just your regular potting mix. You can use whatever kind you have on hand. Perfect. We're just going to smooth this out. Get it ready for our pansies, and I'm going to do a mix of the pansies in here. It'll just look nice and spring-like. Let's see, I'm going to move some of the pink ones over here. Now, depending on what the camera looks like, sometimes when you take a picture of your pink shades, they look really pink, and sometimes they don't. It just depends on the light. This is really about as pink as you can get. And you know I love pink, so that is what I was going for. I was very happy to find these. I found these at Russell's in Wayland, Mass. They always have a really nice selection. And your pansies, they will flower more if you deadhead them. I really didn't deadhead them last year, and they did great anyway. So let's hope that these are just as good. So I'm going to do 1 tray of pink, and I'm going to try to face the pink outward so you really see them. And then I'm going to mix some of the others behind them. So let me get these planted up. I've planted up these 3 planters, and even though they'll only be the star here for a few weeks, I'm thrilled to have them bringing that touch of spring to the front entrance. And I have some leftover pansies, so I tried to select just the pink ones out of the mix, and now I can use those other bluish purple ones in some other planter. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.